Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning I ran into one of my neighbours in the street and I know that his son, who's 19, is currently off travelling around Southeast Asia. I think he's been travelling for about 6 months now. I asked how he was getting on and if my neighbour had heard from him recently. And my neighbour said, well, usually he's really good at keeping in touch. He contacts us about once a week, but for about the last 10 days now, we haven't heard a peep out of him. We're assuming he's okay, maybe he's somewhere remote, maybe he's just having a good time. If you say that you don't hear a peep from someone or out of someone, or you haven't heard a peep from them or out of them, you mean that you haven't heard anything from them, no sound, no word, and maybe this is a little bit surprising. So maybe you've got an elderly neighbour living upstairs who you often hear walking around, and one day you suddenly think, wait a minute, I haven't heard a peep from upstairs for about 10 days now. We'd better go and knock and check that they're okay. Maybe you live next door to some very quiet neighbours and people ask, how do you get on with your neighbours? Do you know them? No, not really. They keep themselves to themselves. They're very quiet. We never hear a peep out of them. It's also a phrase babysitters sometimes use. So maybe you go out for the evening, you leave your kids with the babysitter, you come home and, the house is lovely and quiet. You ask the babysitter, how were the kids? Oh, they were as good as gold. I put them both to bed at 9 o'clock and I haven't heard a peep out of either of them since then. And maybe, like me, you've been shocked to watch the slow collapse of American democracy that we're witnessing. And perhaps most shocking of all is the fact that we've heard hardly a peep of protest out of the vast majority of people in the Republican Party, Trump's party. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to hear examples of how you might use not a peep.